Ooh, good morning. That's so beautiful. I wanted to share the dream I had last night. And it's a topic that I talk about quite a bit, and notice that I have been mentioning it more and more since the beginning of the year. Like, maybe it's been a couple times, but that was more than this time last year. So I was with a group of like maybe three other people, and we were talking about I don't remember what we were talking about, but anyways, I was telling them how there is an expectation that should be set whenever seeds are sown. And so when one plants corn, there should not be the expectation that they are going to reap tomatoes or yams or whatever. The only thing they should be expecting to reap is corn, because that is what was planted. So the same is for people. Whatever seeds you sow into them, that's what you will reap from them. Some people are different, and another person's actions won't affect them in a particular way. That'll frazzle them too hard, but it'll take them to, it's gonna make them better. So you gotta be careful what kind of energy you throw towards certain people. I don't know how I got here. I hope it was intentional. I hope it makes sense to somebody, because I'm gonna have to watch it back to see if it makes sense to me. But yeah, like, if you take the time to get to know somebody, then go the extra mile and love them the way that they require. It's just that simple. But anyways, yeah, just plan on reaping what you sow. Simple. That's it. That's the bottom line. That's what I came to say. Have a beautiful day.